Welcome to our guide on how to back up your data on Instagram, ensuring your valuable information stays safe and secure. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Once inside the app, locate and tap on your profile icon situated in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the 3 horizontally stacked lines in the upper right corner to access the menu options. From the menu, select Settings to proceed. Within the Settings menu, tap on Account Center to manage your account settings effectively. Now, navigate to Your Information and Permissions and tap on it to access the relevant options for data backup. Select Download Your Information to initiate the backup process. Follow the prompts on the screen and tap Continue to proceed. Next, tap on Download or Transfer Information and select your Instagram account. Then, tap Next to move forward with the backup process. Choose between Available Info or Specific Info based on your preferences for the backup. Then, decide whether to download the data to your device or transfer it to a destination of your choice. Finally, tap on Create File to generate and save your backup file securely. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your data on Instagram is backed up efficiently, giving you peace of mind knowing your information is protected. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.